Welcome to the spoken tutorial on analog to digital conversion using Arduino. In this tutorial, we will learn about ADC, that is analog to digital conversion, ADC pins in Arduino, ADC resolution, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, serial monitor and serial plotter. To follow this tutorial, you should have basic knowledge of electronics and C or C++ programming language. To record this tutorial, I am using Arduino Uno board, Ubuntu Linux 16.04 OS and Arduino IDE. We require few external components such as DHT11 sensor, breadboard and jumper wires. In this tutorial, we will detect the temperature and humidity using DHT11 sensor. This sensor collects analog values and gives it to the Arduino Uno. Arduino ADC pins will convert these analog values to digital values. Next, we will understand the concept of resolution. Arduino Uno has 10-bit resolution. This means it can detect 2 to the power of 10, that is 1024 discrete analog levels. Resolution is the smallest change that can be measured. Arduino gives 5 volt output voltage, so 5 volt divided by 1024 levels gives 4.89 millivolts. That means Arduino Uno can be sensitive to a minimal change of 4.89 millivolts. This shows the circuit connection for DHT11 with Arduino. Arduino Uno has 6 inbuilt ADC channels, A0 to A5. ADC channels read analog signal in the range of 0 to 5 volts. Pin 1 of the DHT11 sensor is connected to the 5 volt pin of the Arduino. Pin 2 of the DHT11 sensor is the data pin. This data pin of the sensor is connected to analog pin A0 of Arduino. Pin 3 of the DHT11 sensor is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. This is the live setup of the connection as shown in the circuit diagram. Now we will write the program in Arduino IDE. Open Arduino IDE. First, we need to download the DHT11 Arduino library to run this program. Click on Sketch menu in the menu bar. Select Include Library and then click on Manage Libraries option. A new window will appear. In the top right corner, we can see a search tab. Here, type DHT11 and press enter. We can see various libraries for DHT11 sensor. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Simple DHT by Winlin. In the version drop-down box, we can select the latest version of the library. Click on Install button to install the library. The DHT11 library is now installed in the Arduino IDE. Click on the Close button at the right bottom of the window. Let us add this library to the program. Click on the Sketch menu and select Include Library. Newly downloaded library usually appear at the end. So scroll down to the bottom of the list and select Simple DHT. We can see the header file simpledht.h added in the code window. Type the code as shown. Here we have initialized the data pin of DHT11 sensor which is connected to A0. This command creates a DHT object. Inside void setup function, type the code as shown. Serial begin function initiates the serial communication. It sets the data rate in bits per second for serial data transmission. 9600 represents the baud rate. Delay 500 is the delay time for the sensor to boot. Serial print command prints the header as specified here. Now we will write the code for void loop. We have created two variables, temperature and humidity, for DHT sensor output. DHT11.read reads the data from the sensor. It stores the result in the microcontroller's register. These lines prints the temperature in degrees Celsius and humidity in percentage. Delay 2000 updates the current humidity and temperature readings every 2 seconds. This code is available in the code files link of this tutorial. You can download and use it. Click on the compile button to verify your program. A pop-up window will appear to save the current program. Save the program as DHT11. Now click on Upload button to upload the current program on Arduino. We will see the output in the serial monitor screen. For this, click on the Tools menu and select Serial Monitor. The serial monitor window opens. Temperature and humidity of the current place is displayed as expected. Close the window. Next, we will see the output in the serial plotter. Let us modify the program. Comment the line serial.print temperature and humidity as shown. This will not print the text temperature and humidity. For plotting, we require only the values of temperature and humidity. Let us upload the current program to see the results on serial plotter. Click on the Tools menu and select Serial Plotter. The serial plotter window opens. We can see two lines simultaneously plotting the points. The blue line indicates the temperature, which is around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. The red line is the humidity reading, which is near to 45%. The readings will vary depending upon where the experiment is done. Now cover the sensor with your hands and you will see the fluctuating readings. Close the window. It is useful for humidity readings between 20% to 80% with plus or minus 5% RH, that is relative humidity. It is useful for temperature readings between 0 to 50 degrees Celsius with a plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learnt about ADC, that is analog to digital conversion, ADC pins in Arduino, ADC resolution, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, serial monitor and serial plotter. As an assignment, raise an alarm by glowing the built-in LED pin 13 of the Arduino. Modify the above existing code. Hint: use if-else statement. Add 1 or 2 degrees Celsius to the temperature value that you get on the serial monitor. To increase the temperature reading, cover the DHT11 sensor with your hands. Refer to the assignment link of this tutorial for the source code. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This tutorial has been contributed by FOSSEE and Spoken Tutorial Project, IIT Bombay. And this is Saurabh signing off. Thanks for joining.